How are you, my doggos? Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a high ticket closer in 2024 in the most quickest and efficient way possible. This strategy will help you toward your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month and eventually achieve financial freedom, be able to give back to your parents, be able to give back to your family, and unlock time freedom. I spent a lot of time searching for the best ways to make money online. I've tried different methods, including appointment setting, and after several months of experimenting, I discovered that sales is ideally foundational career path for many reasons beyond just financial gains. The first thing I want to clarify is what actually is high ticket sales. High ticket sales, or high ticket closing, involves being a sales representative, but not in the traditional sense of cold calling or selling cars. This type of sales generally helps improve people's lives because it's focused on the online education industry, which is a $300 billion market that continues to grow. It's an industry poised to eventually replace traditional education systems. In the online educational space, experts from various fields like fitness, mindset, health, relationships, and finance create offers based on their knowledge and expertise to educate and positively impact others. Here, you can learn business directly from billionaires running successful companies. These online education businesses offers that may include information, community access, and training sessions. These packages, often priced $2,000 or more, require a salesperson to facilitate the sale. Because they are high ticket items, they can't be simply purchased by a click. This is where the role of a high ticket closer comes in. As a high ticket closer, you're embedded with these businesses and leads are scheduled on your calendar by appointment setters. Your role is to conduct sales calls and close deals. The key difference with this sales approach is that you're engaging with warm leads, individuals who already know, like, and trust the business owner and are interested in purchasing the product. Your job is to qualify prospects and help them make the best decisions for themselves. For example, if you sell a $10,000 product, the industry standard is a 10% commission for high ticket closers. This means each sale you earn $1,000. So you only need 10 deals a month to make $10,000 a month. While this might sound too good to be true, it's entirely achievable, and this is how you can do it. To get started, there are two main things you need to do. Learn sales, which may take 3 to 4 months to master. Find the right connections and offers. Once you're on a good offer, you're pretty much set for life. Learning these high income skills first, and then using them to build your own business, not only makes you a lot of money, but also helps you become successful in the long term. The first step is mastering sales, which takes time and effort, but once you develop this skill, your overall quality of life will improve, not just financially, but in many other areas. As a Polynesian, we lack the skill of actually communication. After learning sales, my communication, persuasion, and influencing skills has drastically improved. After studying psychology and learning that sales and human psychology play hand in hand, your confidence does improve. The better you get at sales, the more deals you close, the more money you'll make. Now, there are multiple ways you can learn sales. You can watch free content on YouTube from people like Imo Gadzi or Alex Hormozy, which I also did this myself. However, understand, sales isn't just a skill you can learn just by watching your content. Like going to the gym, you need to actively be practicing. You might also consider door-to-door sales job or low entry sales role to get some experience. Alternatively, you could do what I did, and I joined a sales academy that provided structured training and offers a supportive group environment, because this will help you develop your skills faster, make connections, and excel in the field. This is where you should focus most of your time in this sales journey, because learning sales correctly is crucial to avoid mistakes that could harm your reputation. Trying to become a high ticket closer without any experience or training is like entering a professional fight without training. You will get overwhelmed. So take the time to learn and find the right place to train. If you want to know how to get started and learn with the academy that taught me everything I know, to now making $30K a month and traveling to Dubai in 3 days notice, just message me on Instagram YT and I will be able to help you. Now, once you're confident in your sales ability, it's time to find a client. Many people start looking for their first client in Facebook groups. While some have had success, it's generally not the best place to look. You might end up on a low ticket offer, or you might get scammed. Instead, I would recommend using social media. If you follow me, you probably follow others in the space with high ticket offers. Now, start consuming their content. Find those who have option to book in a call in their description or bio. Make sure your profile looks professional when reaching out, so you do get a response. Once you've identified potential clients, vet their offers by examining their results and testimonials. Ideally, you want someone over over 20,000 followers and a good engagement rates to ensure the best results. Reach out and offer your services, framing your message to show you can value to their team. To sum up, focus building connections in this space. I did this by joining a sales agency and developing strong relationships within people within the community, which helped me expand my network. Your network is your net worth, and you expand it by being valuable, by making money through sales and building a personal brand. In conclusion, focus on learning sales and becoming elite. Find the right client, post content, and build a personal brand. I guarantee if you stop thinking transaction and start thinking transformation, you will see a transformation in your life. Until next time, take care, Muscles. Come on.